Is the cold keeping you from enjoying life this winter? Well, now you don't need to hide away from the cold in your own home. Introducing the Milex Foldable Gas Heater. It's so powerful it transforms cold and chilly spaces into warm and cozy places. The Milex Foldable Gas Heater offers instant heat without drying the air. Boasting an electric ignition and flame failure for enhanced safety, this gas heater features 3 ceramic panels, 3 heat settings, and swivel castors for easy movement. No matter how cold it gets outside, this gas heater is the best heating solution for your home. No more bulky heaters getting in the way. Simply fold and store to save up space. The Milex Foldable Gas Heater can fold up to 1/6 of its size, making it super convenient for keeping out of the way when you're not using it. The Milex Foldable Gas Heater will keep you warm and smiling this winter. Call 011-430-6000 now and order yours.